Oppo just recently launched the new mid-range phone, which is the Oppo A92, and this is my hands-on and quick review. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Double cup, big Amiri, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
Oppo just released their new mid-range phone, which is the Oppo A92. And in terms of design, Oppo joined the 2020 camera array, which is the rectangular box design like what we saw in Samsung and Huawei phones. With the display of 6.5-inch IPS LCD, 83.4 screen-to-body ratio, Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400, 405 ppi density, up to 480 nits type of brightness as advertised. It has plastic frame and glass back design. From the left side, you can see here the SIM card tray with dual SIM support and with SD card slot which is expandable up to 512GB storage. At the bottom part, it has 3.5 jack, 1 microphone, fast charging USB Type-C and speaker grill. And at the right side, only power button with dedicated fingerprint scanner and a stereo speaker at the top. And for the color option, it has 3 beautiful color gradient, which is the Aurora Purple, Twilight Black, and Shining White. Now, in terms of specification, this phone is Android 10 out of the box with Oppo ColorOS 7.1, 8GB RAM and 128 internal storage, and with the Snapdragon 665 chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.0 GHz with the GPU Adreno 610. Just will give you idea guys, here is the Antutu benchmark of this processor that released last year. So the higher number will give you better and faster performance in single core and multi-core category, but as per my experience with this chipset, it can really also handle the heavy online games like PUBG or Call of Duty with less power consumption as well. And it has massive battery which is 5000 mAh with 18 watts fast charging adapter. And finally, the camera. It has quad rectangular box camera array with 48 megapixel main lens with f1.7 aperture with face detection autofocus, and can record 4K video 30 frames per second with Gyro Electronics Image Stabilization or EIS. 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens with f2.4 aperture, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and additional 2 megapixel for monochrome or black and white photo, and front camera of 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture. So guys, this is my first impression and hands-on of the new Oppo A92, and I can really say that this phone is awesome with a great price tag of $300. So what is your opinion guys? Just comment down below, and if you want to see more tech reviews like this, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.